welcome back to Mount Western Raceway, and today we have two cars entering into Nascar, the 2021 Nascar tournament. And this comes from Dubious Diecast. A big thank you, mate, for sending these through. How good do they look? Look at the decals. Menacing looking NASCARs about to hit Mount Western Raceway. This number 3 is driven by Mrs. Nefarious, I think that's how you pronounce it. And the other one is Mr. Dark. Mr. Dark. I love the names. I love the look of these NASCARs. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to set them up to the start gate and give them a couple of runs. A big thank you to Dubious Diecast for sending in your NASCARs, mate. Really appreciate that. They seem to roll extremely well and will be a force to be reckoned with when the competition starts later in 2021. So until next time, guys, I'll catch you later.